Big bodge sitting.
Call it the rust room for nothing. Right?
How you getting on?
Yeah, it's alright, it's not too bad. This side anyway.
Yeah, the edge is looking alright, isn't it?
Yeah, hopefully come up alright. I mean, that you can buy that whole bit. We can already see it's had a repair in there, isn't it? But yeah, hopefully you get a fair bit of this knocked out today.
Yeah.
Shit job, mate.
Great fun.
Horrid. One-handed, bro. Might be able to do totally. Like jobbing together.
Right, if you can't get it up, John, chisel it in the
Yeah, that'd be good. You put it up. I'm gonna write that back. Dry on.
Oh, shoot.
Can you put her back a bit more?
Yeah. Might be worth it.
Give her a wiggle. Oh, she's coming. She wants to come on.
I think it's still very much welded on there, but welded apart, it's welded on with. I mean, you could just go through that and then the top one.
Ah, push it.
Tell you what, that'd make a good sledge.
I would make a good sledge. A bit sketchy around the edge of that mine.
Oh!
There she goes.
Give her a twist, alright.
That's how patches on patches, I think. That's done, isn't it? New floor pan installed.
You just put the new one there and then you got like a little spoiler?
Yeah, that, yeah. Aero, mate.
Aero.
Mad aero. Oh, come on.
Just put it down and jump on it.
I was just thinking that.
Hey!
Fixed. Here's a beauty. I'll not to remove your floor pan.
There she goes.
Anyone want to buy a mint condition floor pan? Just PM us.
Yeah, we'll do a good deal on that.
Yeah, so cut the floor pan out now. Drill all the spot welds out on the job.
Yeah.
And then cut the back battery tray panel out that was pretty ropey. The rest of this side looks pretty good, to be honest, at the moment. Doesn't look too bad, does it?
No, it's good to me.
Started stripping down the front there, taken the shocks off. As you can see from this one, the bushes are a little bit more suspect, aren't
The centre just comes straight out, doesn't it?
Beauty. Yeah, so taking the shocks off and all the like track rod ends and track rods. Is that even the right word?
I think they are track rods. I think some, like track rod ends are from a steering box, and then technically the ones on a rack should be rack ends. I think.
Cleared all that out, so we've got a bit of room to get to this end. Gonna wire wheel all that back, treat it for rust, and then that'll be ready for painting. There's a little bit of a suspect patch up here that I'm a little bit worried about on the front beam.
Oh, but
Just there.
yeah, that weld's not supposed to be there.
No, so I'm gonna have a little wire wheel around there and a bit of a grind back and see what's going on. So they look like they've been on there since the car was built.
They're just dust shields, aren't they? I think they're just
Oh,
dust.
they might be, yeah. Well, I'll probably end up replacing that. Do a full brake overhaul at some point. It's coming along, isn't it?
Mhm.
Slowly. I had a bit of a nightmare getting the ball joints out.
Yeah, it's all the ends.
But,
Got there in the end, though. Literally.
Yeah.
Hey, in the end.
It's all as well so far. Yet to start that monstrosity there.
It's out of sight, out of mind at the moment, isn't it?
Plan is to utilise some of this wood and build some sort of frame just to get it up off the ground. Weld in a bit of metal to support the doors. So that
Oh, brace
we don't
up
pick it
the doors,
in it.
yeah.
And it sort of folds in on itself. But
Mm-hmm.
she's farming. Hey. Thanks for watching another episode of The Rust Room. Feel free to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes.